परीक्षा परिणामों में बेहतर अंक लाने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत एवं सकारात्मक सोच के साथ की गई तैयारियों का परिणाम अच्छा ही नहीं बल्कि श्रेष्ठ हो जाता है। ऐसा ही कुछ कर दिखाया है डीपीएस दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल छिंदवाड़ा 10वीं के छात्र सूर्यांश जैन ने, जिन्होंने 10वीं में 98.2% अंक लाकर पूरे जिले का नाम रोशन किया है। इसके अलावा डीपीएस स्कूल के 12वीं का परीक्षा परिणाम भी सर्वश्रेष्ठ रहा है एवं एक बार फिर वहां पर अध्ययन छात्रों द्वारा जिले सहित पूरे प्रदेश में डीपीएस स्कूल का नाम रोशन किया है। देखिए खास रिपोर्ट। विगत दिनों घोषित हुए सीबीएसई के 10वीं एवं 12वीं के परीक्षा परिणाम में छिंदवाड़ा जिले का बहुचर्चित स्कूल डीपीएस दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल ने छात्रों ने एक बार फिर सर्वश्रेष्ठ परीक्षा परिणाम लाकर स्कूल ही नहीं पूरे जिले में प्रदेश स्तर पर नाम रोशन किया है। गौरतलब होवे कि बीते बहुत ही कम समय में डीपीएस स्कूल ने जिले सहित आसपास के जिले में अपनी एक अलग पहचान बना ली है। यही कारण है कि अब अन्य जिलों के छात्र भी यहां पर अध्ययन करने पहुंच रहे हैं। स्कूली छात्रों की माने तो डीपीएस स्कूल में शिक्षा के साथ साथ अन्य विभिन्न प्रकार की गतिविधियों को भी प्राथमिकता से सिखाया जाता है, जिससे कि छात्रों द्वारा शिक्षा के अलावा स्पोर्ट्स एवं अन्य में भी प्रदेश स्तर पर अपनी अलग पहचान बना ली है। संपन्न हुए 10वीं एवं 12वीं के परीक्षा परिणाम में श्रेष्ठ आए छात्रों से जब डीटी न्यूज द्वारा चर्चा की गई तो उन्होंने अपने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए हैं एवं स्कूल सहित संपूर्ण स्टाफ के प्रति आभार माना है। देखिए छात्रों द्वारा साझा किए गए खास रिपोर्ट।
Greetings of the day. My name is Samya Soni. I study in Delhi Public School, Chhinwara. In my 10th standard, I scored 462 out of 500, which is 92.4%, which was possible because of the support of my teachers, family and friends. I'm grateful for their support, especially my teachers. Whenever I had any doubt, they always helped me and told me to keep my concepts clear, which helped me in understanding the questions better. We solved a lot of sample papers and PYQs, which helped us in understanding and getting an idea of the examination. My mother always told me to keep calm and motivated me throughout. At last, for the 10th grade students, I would like to say be calm, confident and sleep well before the examination. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Asmita Brahmane, a student of Delhi Public School, Chhinwada, session 2023-24. I am pleased to announce that I have concurred my board examinations because I have scored 92.4% in my 10th board examinations. And it was really an intense journey and I couldn't have done it without the unwavering support of my teachers, family, friends as well as my mentors. And at last, a huge thanks to everybody who have supported me during this intense journey because it really made a difference. Thank you.
Hi, I am Avadhut Thakur. I have studied from Delhi Public School, Chhinwada. Recently, in my 10th board exams, I have scored 94.6%. And this result was a combined effort of my my hard work, my parents, my teachers, and throughout my journey I was consistent, I was sincere, I regularly analyzed my performance, and pre-boards was a game changer in my preparation. They boost up my preparation, and the overall journey was very exciting. It was ups and downs, but it was a great year for me. It was like an ideal year for me. I have enjoyed also in this year. I have done hard work. I have made my basics more stronger, which is helping me in 11th class. And finally, in the end, I will say thank you to all my teachers, my school. That's it.
Hello everyone, I'm Suryansh and I study in DPS Chhinwada and I scored 491 out of 500 in my class 10 board examinations. I scored 100 of 100 in maths, Sanskrit and computer. In maths, I focused on solving some questions for at least an hour every day, which eventually helped me in the final examinations. Sanskrit, as we all know, it's a difficult language, and same case with me. I was unable to get it for like the starting 6 months of class 10, but after I finished the chapters, I was able to grasp it easily. and I scored 100 on 100. The examination, the final examinations, the question paper was pretty easy, so it didn't bother me a lot. Talking about computer was pretty basic. It's just basic computer knowledge. If you have it, it's pretty easy. Or even a one night study can get you 45 above in theory easily, like very easy. And science and SST, you gotta focus on NCRT. Like every question that comes in the question paper is from the NCRT lines only. Assertion reason based questions, picture based questions, every question that is there in the examination, science and SST, it's all from the NCRT. So NCRT is the key book, no need to run after references. And also during the school pre-board examinations, you gotta focus on them, because eventually it will help you to identify your mistakes, and that will help you a lot. Same case with me. I used to score pretty less marks in maths. I used to get like 70s, something like out of 80. So I understood what my errors were, so I worked on those. So pre-board examinations play a vital role. And also solving sample papers. I'm not recommending you guys to, it's for my juniors, to not solve sample papers just before the examinations. Like during the January to Feb period, you gotta solve sample papers just after pre-board 2 for 10 days. After completing your course, that will help you a lot and boost your confidence. And no need to run after the some publishers book that give you some hard sample papers. They'll just your confidence will be pretty low. So I recommend all of you guys to solve previous year question papers that boost your overall confidence. That was the same case with me. I solved all of the previous 2 sample papers for each subject. That helped me a lot. Also, my teachers guided me. My parents, they also supported me a lot. They didn't put any pressure on me. And it was not just like studies for me. I used to go out, hang out with my friends, play sports. I'm a state level tennis player. So it's just not study. You gotta take care of your mental health also. I used to study for like 8 hours in the January and Feb month, because that was the key time when everyone needs to focus on their studies. So I mainly used to study during the midnight, like 10 to morning 4. So that helped me a lot. I would recommend all my juniors to just study every day, like some basic concepts for maths and science. And the Jan and Feb months, these are the most important months. So yeah, NCRT, PYQs, sample papers, that's the key to success. And this thing, your brain, you need to be mentally, you have to be calm and just rock your exams. That's it. Thank you.